Welcome back, Flare community. First and foremost, I hope everyone is having a great day, and if you're new here and yet to subscribe, then please feel free to do so. So today we're actually going to go over a new infographic which I've created, which highlights the airdrop timeline for both the Flare network and also the Songbird network. Now, for those of you who are unaware, the Songbird network is going to be a fully functioning Layer 1 network. Now, the purpose of Songbird is to test the various functionality and protocols such as the FTSO and also the F-asset system. In addition, experimental features and decentralized applications may first be deployed onto Songbird before being brought over to the Flare network. So with that being said, let's jump into the infographic. So, the launch of both the Flare and Songbird networks offer opportunities to receive numerous assets as airdrops. That's FLR, or the Spark token, FLR, which will be eventually converted to YFLR. We have SGB, which is the Songbird token, and SFLR. So let's jump into it from the very beginning. Mid-December 2020. Or more specifically, the 12th of the 12th, 2020. Now, if you were holding XRP at this particular time, which represented the Flare snapshot, on either a participating exchange or self-custody wallet, it means that you were eligible to receive the Spark token. We move slightly down here to mid-June, or the 11th of June 2021. So for those who held XRP in a self-custody wallet, the claim process was required to claim the Spark token. And as I said, the deadline for this was the 11th of June 2021. A self-custody wallet meaning something which you own the keys to, such as a ledger device or something similar. Now, please bear in mind that if you held XRP on an exchange, you was not in ownership of that XRP at that particular time. You deposited it into their account. And as a result, the participating exchange will have gone through a similar claim process themselves. So, assuming you have gone through the claim process or you held in a participating exchange, we can fast forward to the present day, which we have here. Now, we have recently learned about the Songbird network, which is the canary network for Flare. If you're still unsure about the details of the Songbird canary network, please feel free to check the video linked above. So, when can we expect to start receiving our airdrops? Let's fast forward down here, and we can see at some time around early August in 2021, we can expect the Songbird network to launch. And when it launches, the Songbird tokens will be created. And this is when you can expect to receive your very first airdrop. The airdrop will be of Songbird token, and its ticker symbol is SGB. If you are wondering where I got this particular date from, we can refer back to the Songbird blog post by the Flare network team. They say in the next 6 weeks we will be releasing a canary network for Flare called Songbird. Now, during this time, you will also be able to participate in the Flare Finance experimental finance product on Songbird, which will give you an opportunity to earn bonus DFLR. This is also the point in which testing for the Songbird network begins in preparation of the Flare network launch. And that brings us to early August. Okay? So moving down here, we have this date of September with a plus sign and a little squiggle right here, which means estimated. It's expected around September. And I can't stress that word enough, because many people still fail to understand it. In fact, I'm going to link a definition to the word estimate for all those who are still failing to understand what it means. So the launch of the FLR network will commence after security audits have been completed, and substantial testing of all systems and protocols on Songbird have been completed. Now, security audits are done by someone external to the FLR network, which means that they are out of control of the FLR network team. The audits will get completed once the auditors have completed their audits. I hope that makes sense. It's an external factor outside of the control of the FLR network. Now, you see here as well that I capitalized the "and", meaning after the audits have completed, it does not mean the FLR network will launch. During this period of the Songbird launch, the FLR team will be actually testing these functionality, and once the testing is complete, and only when the team are confident, they will launch the FLR network. Once the FLR network is launched, the Spark tokens are created and will be distributed to the various wallets, and that's when you can expect the second airdrop, which is the Spark token, ticker symbol FLR. This is the native token of the FLR network. Now, 30 days after this launch here of the FLR network, on both networks, you can expect another snapshot. On the Songbird network, the snapshot will be based on the Songbird token here, SGB. On the FLR network, the snapshot will be based on FLR, or Spark token, as you can see here. Now, as we continue down, we can expect to see another 2 airdrops, okay? We have airdrop number 3 to receive SFLR, which is a FLR Finance Governance token on the Songbird network. Now, this is also the very same process which you will be able to do on the FLR network. You will receive DFLR, and you will have to go through a process to convert this to YFLR. Now, this will be done via a website from the latest information what we've seen from FLR Finance. Now, I'd just like to bring your attention back up here about this bonus, where you can participate on the Songbird network in what FLR Finance are calling an experimental finance products, and you can earn DFLR. Now, once you earn this DFLR, I imagine it will be wrapped and transferred from the Songbird network over to the FLR network. And this is the point where you can convert all of your DFLR to YFLR. And that's where you receive the 4th and final airdrop. YFLR will be a very significant part of the FLR Finance ecosystem on the FLR network. It will in fact be a governance token, giving you influence on the decisions made and the direction the network takes. Now, I really want to highlight that these 2 networks are actually going to run in parallel. You're going to continue to be able to utilize the FLR Finance ecosystem on both Songbird and the FLR network. And we also know that in addition to these 2 networks, there is also going to be the cost and test net. All 3 networks will have different use cases, so that's something to consider moving forward. I am aware of 2 different airdrops which are coming to XRP holders in the future, but this is outside of the scope of this particular video. This video is focusing solely on the FLR network and the various airdrops from that. And in fact, I'm going to leave a link in the description with a high resolution image that you can check out yourself. So that summarizes this video. I really hope the timeline really puts things into perspective. I would just like to encourage everyone to be patient and remember these little squiggles mean estimates. Remember, a link is in the description if you are still unfamiliar with this term. So if you liked today's video, please feel free to share it. Have a great day everyone as always, and until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.